Hello friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video, I am going to talk to you about economics education in India. In this video, I will speak on 5 different areas which include qualities required in a candidate who wishes to pursue economics education in India, the degree options which are available in India related to economics, eligibility criteria for different degree options or courses, entrance exams if there are any at the national level, and the professions which one can get into after finishing a degree in economics. Starting with the qualities required for economics degree program in India, the child needs to be high on academic orientation, good with numerics, mathematics, statistics, and economics with affinity towards research. The child should have interest in numbers and data analysis. Along with that, the child should have ability to spend long hours working with data and numbers on paper and or on computer. That means the child should not feel bored interacting with the numbers. The degree options in India for economics can be BA honors in the specialized area of economics, BBA honors, BCom honors, or BSc economics. The eligibility criteria for most of the colleges remain 10+2 from any stream. So whether you've done commerce or science or arts, it does not matter. But there are few colleges which would demand you to have compulsorily taken economics course along with mathematics or statistics in grade 11 and 12. So some of the national level entrance exam include NPAT, that is Narsee Monjee, Symbiosis. There is a BA Eco separate entrance exam for Indraprastha University, Delhi, Christ University, Aligarh Muslim University, Delhi University, APU, Jamia Millia Islamia, BHU, or GATA. These are some of the national level entrance exams for economics courses in India. The professions which one can get into after finishing economics degree from India can be getting into becoming an actuary or a banker, business analyst, credit analyst, data analyst, finance analyst, econometrist, economist, finance consultant, finance manager, investment analyst, market research analyst, policy analyst, portfolio manager, risk analyst, or a stockbroker. Some of the new age things which are coming, which include primarily data mining, data analysis, big data. These are some of the professions which can be taken up after finishing a course in economics. Basically, for these courses, you require the candidate, or the candidate requires to be good with both economics as well as data analysis. If this combination is there, then you can pursue any one of these courses. I hope this video gives you some insight about economics course in India. In case you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.